Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today. We're going to be making this delicious curry squid. It's tender, it's soft, and it's so tasty with this curry paste. The first thing you will need to do is thaw one box of squid, which is about 2.2 pounds. Before we can cook the squid, we need to remove all the cartilage. So you need to remove the eyes, the teeth, and then there's this long plastic part along the body you will need to remove. Then you have to remove the film from the body of the squid. The easiest way to know if your squid is all clean is to feel them with your hands. If you don't feel anything hard, you know that they're super clean and ready to be cooked. When all the squid is clean, we're going to toss it into a hot water bath for about 10 seconds, not too long. You don't want to overcook the little baby squid. And then remove it from the hot water and drain it. Now comes the easy part, and I say easy because I find cleaning the squid takes a lot longer than the actual cooking part. You're going to add onion, garlic, ginger, and oil to the pan on high heat. Stir fry that all together and then add your squid. The next thing we're going to do is add your seasoning. To add some flavor to our dish, we're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of curry paste, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Mix it all together and then plate it. The one thing you don't want to do is overcook the baby squid. When you overcook the squid, it will be chewy and tough. You want to make sure that it stays tender and delicious. The reason I love cooking squid this way is that it maintains its sweetness and it's tender, and the flavor of the curry pairs with it perfectly. I hope you get a chance to make and enjoy this delicious dish at home. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy to make at home recipes.